Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Nokia 7.2 to Android smartphone, all you have to do for the first is to go for the Play Store, tap on the search, and right here you have to type the CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. As you can see, I got this application, so right now I'm gonna open it, and of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. Right now click sender on your Nokia, because we are sending data from Nokia to other smartphone. Click allow, then tap receiver on this smartphone, click search again. Right now we have to click on this Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, and also we can input the password. I'm going to scan QR code, then you have to lift your smartphone and put the frame into the QR code, like that. Accept the request on your Nokia. Then if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and click start. But in my case, I will go below and I will take the photos. Probably I will go this photo, this screenshot, and also this one. Click on the start, OK, and it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.